Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on the interval fight scene from the movie Vedalam.
And yes, we have Ajit sir here.
Yes.
Okay, the all-rounder Ajit sir, Ajit Kumar
Yes.
sir is there, and we have already done the Vedalam trailer
Yes.
reactions, and also I think some scenes
Some
we
of the
have
scenes
done.
from the movie Vedalam also we have
Vedalam.
done.
Yes, so now this is the interval fight scene,
Yes.
so we'll be like seeing a lot of fight actions kind of
Of course,
scenes,
right.
right? So let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
तो चलो शुरू करते हैं इंटरवल फाइट सीन ऑफ द मूवी बेदलम.
Right. Oh my god. All gone or what? What has happened? I think something big disaster has happened. God. Hello, mic testing.
Hello.
Testing one.
Oh, same.
Same only. You knew that.
No.
யாரானே எங்கடா இருக்க கண்ணா மூச்சி ரே ரே
This expression. Solid.
Right.
வாடா வா நேர்ல வாடா வந்து ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆச்சுடா அங்க உனக்கு பின்னாடி இருக்க ரெண்டு பேரை தூக்குறேன் பாடுறா
Oh, super.
பின்னாடி இருக்கிறவனை தூக்குறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு முன்னாடி இருக்கிறவனை அடிக்கிறேன் யாரா நீ சொன்ன சொல்ல காப்பாத்த நீ ஒரு தேச தலைவன் நான் ஒரு தேச தலைவனா ஏய் நீ கெட்டவன் நான் கேடு கெட்டவன்டா
Wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, God. That music.
That music.
Wow.
Entry.
Entry. Now he is going to boom everyone. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Super. Yes. Wow. Oh,
Ah. My goodness.
wow. He's running on the walls also.
Ah.
Oof.
Wow.
Boss.
Solid.
Oof. Gone. Wow, super action. Now it's his turn.
Yeah.
His term is going to end now.
Ah.
That scary kind of smile.
That is his signature smile.
Ooh. Okay, I think he is main villain or what?
Maybe, he's the main.
Okay, that's
He
why
was
can,
only indicating, right? All of the bones.
yeah, so that's why he
No.
can give 1-2 shots.
अबे गया खत्म.
Uh,
Wow, what an execution.
it feels like full rain fight scene.
It's like that only.
Oh, that cross one. Wow. didn't mind broke.
It was so real, man.
Ah,
Feels like I am getting hurt.
okay, he is the main.
Ah. His brother or something like that, I think, no?
Yes.
யாரா நீ? நானா? உன் வாழ்க்கையில உன் அப்பா அம்மா உனக்கு எவ்வளவு முக்கியமோ அதே அளவு நானும் முக்கியம். ஒரே வித்தியாசம்.
Expression.
அவங்களால நீ
Killing.
Mm.
என்னால நீ அறப்பட்ட. நீங்கள் தொடர்பு கொள்ளும் வாடிக்கையாளர் தற்போது மர்டர் செய்து கொண்டிருக்கிறார். சிறிது நேரத்துக்கு பின் தொடர்பு கொள்ளும். எங்க போற? ஆமா, கொலைகாரன்டா. இன்னும் கொலை பண்ணுவேன். இந்த கொலைக்கு நடுவுல யார் வந்தாலும் அது நீயா இருந்தா
Expression.
சங்கரித்துருவேன்.
குடும்பத்துல சம்பந்தம் பண்ண மாட்டோம். என் அண்ணனுக்கும் தங்கச்சியா கட்டி கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். இந்த கல்யாணத்தை நிறுத்திடுவேன்.
ஒரு கொலைகாரன் குடும்பத்துல சம்பந்தம் பண்றதுதான் உன் பிரச்சனைனா இப்போ ஒரு உண்மையை சொல்றேன். உன் அண்ணன் கட்டிக்க போற பொண்ணு என் தங்கச்சியே கிடையாது.
What a powerful voice. Oof. Ah. Wow. Finally, it got broken. Wow.
I'm sure when this movie got released at the time of hall, people got crazy. I think, right? Please let me know if I'm wrong or right, because
No, I think
I'm
it-
sure.
For this scene, theater response will be super.
So much
Right,
crowd
so-
and they will like clap like anything. This scene is superb. I think this is the best
I'm
scene.
scared. Due to this scene, people started breaking everything apart.
Glasses and everything.
Actually, it was too much powerful.
Very powerful, very realistic acting, and Ajit sir's voice,
Wow.
his expression, his acting skill, undoubtedly excellent.
Excellent. Yes.
Excellent, like,
super. And
We
also-
were like, I am feeling very happy that this kind of powerful performance we have seen today.
Right. I think one of the best powerful scene
Best
I have
powerful
seen.
scene we have ever seen.
And his
Yes.
smile, that thrilling kind of
That was
scan you will be
killing.
able to feel. Yes.
Yes, I think this kind of scene already we have seen the Vedalam transformation scene.
Yes,
That is also
transformation scene.
Vedalam, right?
Yes.
Transformation scene.
Right.
There also, I think that is the first scene of Ajit sir's acting we have ever made on our channel.
Right.
And from that day only, I was like, this person is having something in him. Like he has,
His expression.
his
is- tells
expression is
everything.
like speaking. His
And,
expression
not
is like
only-
speaking
not
only.
only his facial expression, but also
Eyes.
his eyes expression is
Correct.
superb. Yes.
Superb. The way the whole fight, we all know that was acting only, but still it was
Still.
very real. Like I am thinking that I am getting hurt on my cheeks when each and every punches were like happening.
Exactly.
It was
I think
superb.
anybody, if you see, he will
Anybody.
become powerful.
Powerful. And that girl Shruti Hassan was there. No, she was talking. If I would have in that place, no, I'm like, no,
Fainted.
please, I'll get fainted. Definitely, because that kind of expression and he is
Ajit
too
sir
good.
was having
He is
expression
too
here.
good. Expression guru.
Yes,
Okay.
of course. And,
He has done brilliant job and
background music and all everything was
that
all this
one.
music was super.
Yeah.
It
So-
was well synced with this scene.
well
Right,
synced.
yes.
The formation of each and every scenes, the execution of the fight and everything, it's unbelievable. Like the director has done a superb job.
Yes.
Okay, and the Vedalam movie is super hit. We all know that.
Exactly.
And,
we have to see watch this movie as
we
well.
are very happy, feeling very very happy that this kind of iconic scene we are seeing today
Yes.
with all of you. So yes, that is a 10 on 10. Not 10, I think 1 crore out of 10. Okay, this is a
of course you can
masterpiece.
give that as well.
And also, as well as the villain's acting skill, that was also very good,
Yeah,
right?
I've seen him in couple of the movies,
couple of the
and
movies.
his expression is superb.
He's very tall,
Tall
dark.
and
His
also
very
he
good.
looks like a villain also.
Villain only, his beard and everything. And Ajit sir is like, he is unparalleled. Ajit sir's expression, his appearance is unparalleled.
And each of the action sequences he has done here in this.
He got a
it was
cut over here.
It was superb.
Superb.
Whatever the round flip and everything was there, right? Walking
My
on
God.
the walls.
Walls,
That was
round
also
flips.
good. Yes.
Awesome. We all know that is acting, but it was not looking like acting anymore. Like it was looking like very real and super realistic. Like it was happening in front of our eyes only. It was looking like that.
And also the first scene
Very
was
good.
thrilling when that lift got open and
open.
lot of the people was
Dead bodies
Dead
are coming
bodies
up.
are-
And the splashes of bloods and everything are there on the wall of the lift.
Right.
That was also done superbly. So I'm telling now, this movie is having something in it. Okay, so yes, that is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Nagaranjan Law Firm, and he is writing his comment on Arambam bank robbery scene, and he is commenting bike, boat is really stunts by Thala Ajit Kumar. He got injury on boat scene.
Okay,
Yes,
that
was
boat scene and bike scene was the real stunt
real stunt.
made
So,
by him.
I think while doing that boat scene, he got injured also.
He got injured.
So,
We
yes,
already
that-
saw some making
that was
videos
super.
where he was getting injured and all blood and everything is coming out. So he is a brilliant actor, and that is true. To show the realistic acting, they got hurt, and we are like who are seeing the movies on the theater or on the screen. We are thinking, okay, their life is very cool. Okay, they are earning that much and this
It's
much,
not
but it
that
is
much
not that
cool.
easy. Okay,
Yes.
they have to go through a lot of things,
lot of
struggle
things.
and everything. Then only a movie got success. So that is true actually.
They
And
also have
yes,
to work a lot also.
Yeah.
Either they have to start early morning
Early
or
morning,
late night. Everything they have to do.
that's all are there. So yes, thank you so much for this information, and thank you so much for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the second comment for today's video is from Sai Reddy, and he's commenting on epic arrow fight scene reaction from the movie Bahubali 2, and he's commenting react for head cut scene in Bahubali 2.
Yes.
Okay, that
was
head
also
cut.
super.
हाँ, that was iconic. Okay. क्या उसका हिंदी डायलॉग दे दो.
जो औरतों पे हाथ देता है उसका
हाथ नहीं
उंगलियां नहीं
काटते,
काटना चाहिए, उसका काटना चाहिए गला.
Gala.
That
That
was
was
super.
epic. That was epic, and yes, we'll be doing that. Okay, and this time we'll be doing in Telugu version, the original version. Okay.
Let's see if you get
For sure.
get on YouTube, and then we are going to give our reaction on Telugu itself.
Yeah, so because people have requested, a lot of you have told that why you have given the reaction in Hindi. It is available in Tamil also as well. If it is not available in Telugu, you can search for Tamil. So yes, definitely next time Tamil or Telugu will come. Okay, if not, then Hindi will come. That is
Let's
the last
see,
option.
which is available.
But we'll be doing the head cut scene. It is iconic, and we'll be doing. Okay, so thank you so much, Sai Reddy, for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the third comment for today is from Yusuf Deen, and he's writing, I love all your reaction video, and you're the best pair. Keep smile and always be happy.
Thank you. Thank you so
much for
Yes.
a lovely comment.
We are always be happy. Kutti story. Okay, so yes, we always be happy, and always like being happy only we give our reaction, whatever is there on our in our heart. We always like speak out of our heart only. Okay,
so after whole
thank
day
you so
tiring
much.
office work, we used to give our reaction so that we also become little bit happy, and also our mind will be little bit calm.
Because after talking with you all after a hectic day, it is a very good feels very good, and also we are like, okay, we speak a lot with you all, and we have gotten a communication also with you all, so that is a great feeling. So yes, thank you so much for your kind hearted comment, and thank you so much for watching our videos. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us and keep watching our videos. If you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.